The coronavirus pandemic has slung transformation to probably the highest point of the unquestionable demands in the brains of CIOs. It's been a go-to empowering influence for businesses to upgrade the client experience as well as produce greater ROI. As we are able to see, organizations with actual physical presence have been moving the methodology towards creating a digital presence to stay considerable and to stay in front of the opposition. Many folks have started the digital transformation adventure while a few are in the setting up stage. Hello, I am Shreya Bhatnagar, and today Analytics Jobs has got you a special episode in which I will be telling you the top trends emerging in 2021 in terms of engineering, technology, recruitments, and the working environment. So let's get right to it. Financial institutions will be going within a much more noteworthy strain, that is digital banking experiences, to provide digital functionality both quick and straightforward. Associations will zero the internal processes, methods, and the flow of data to satisfy the rising consumer requirements. Many big tech organizations such as Facebook and Google have extended their work at home arrangements even for the parts of 2021, which clearly shows that the culture of working from home will be expanding. Considerably, smaller organizations are actually keeping it as a newly found flexibility as an operational option. In the present scenario, mostly all jobs can be done online. Even schools and colleges are now operating online. This has in turn increased the importance of 5G, which will prove to be progressively mainstream in 2021. Today, organizations cannot bear to be disengaged. That highlights the necessity for the multipath expressway. There are two main things in civil engineering which will capture everything as its trend will increase rapidly in 2021. They are virtual reality and augmented reality, which will add digital elements to a live view by using the camera and implying a completely immersive experience that will shut out the physical world. As 2020 has become an excellent year for IoT and its effects can be predicted to improve business revenues by almost $344 billion in 2021. Here, there will be enormous progress of technology as well as automation sector which will build and increase trends in electric engineers' lives to learn and apply electric technology with complex but advanced trends. There is an additive advancement in 2021, a development in 3D printing, an intricate process in which an object's model is produced by using a CAD program that will make the model more innovative. Hence, in the near future, there is likely to be revolution in the area of mechanical engineering with a special focus on numerous streams like smart materials, farm mechanization, robotics, automation, and renewable energy systems. The energy sector is yet another intriguing market to view in 2021. The drive for more and more sources of energy and possibly better efficiency will see several interesting features next season. Some of them include energy storage and better battery life, cyber security, distributed energy resource, and a lot more. Businesses will be moving towards project-based or maybe freelance hiring since employers are free to employ the best talent across the world and can additionally provide opportunities to domain professionals who take up the task for short term. This new trend, however, is anticipated to go on for the entire 2021. To employ the best resources, numerous business organizations have turned to data to enable them to make smarter hiring decisions and stay away from unconscious bias. With the assistance of AI, the standard hiring procedure will get enhanced via total automation of onboarding methods and employee verification. as businesses will start using AI-powered chatbots for the very first phases of applicant screening before calling applicants for in-person interviews. By maximizing current and previous metrics, businesses can predict upcoming fashion, which will enable them to enhance HR as well as recruitment operations. HR will focus on the use of technology to provide an effortless onboarding experience by adopting technology for paperless and contactless onboarding. These top trends will bring a complete revolution to all the industries. Keep on following Analytics Jobs for more such updates that we will bring for you from every sphere of engineering and technology.